Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today we are going to learn more about product hunting and building ideas and how to the perfect product for your store. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. So this method is actually a category analyzer or seller analyzer. And this will go to ERANK and depth and competition and depth and top sellers. Well, you click on top sellers, you will see this page. Now, on the top center page and the left pane, you can see all the categories, and on the right side, you can see all the shop names that are selling, selling the most. So this is the KTM Minimalist, and its total sales are 23,56,207, and it is in the Pro Light store. So if you're going by category to category, like I will go for handmade or home and living. If I'm going for home and living, let's say, and we have living, the World Insane store has about 8,45,124 sales that are very good. If I open it, I can see more about the store. I can analyze the store. ERANK allows us to have a top eye on your competition. So it has got very accurate on sales. Total active listings are 1,700, and the average sales per day is 443 sales per day. That is very good, and the shop age has 5.2 years. Okay, that is very good. On this section, you will find the top sellers that is selling this. These are the products that is selling, and you can see any of this product by just simply opening it and see if we're back. But here, actually, I'm using it on the VPS, so that's why you're seeing a little bit slow in the screen. Okay. So if you analyze this listing, 92% visibility score. The estimated revenue is $916. 2000, it was created in 2018, and the last modified is 2023. The estimated conversion is 4.5%, and through this way you can analyze any listing. We can just simply paste the ID of any Etsy listing, link of any Etsy listing, and click on search. It will show you the results on here. So right now we're building the ideas about a category, like what we want to sell. Okay, if I go to paper and party supplies, and this category, there's a planner cage, design my party studio, twist stationery. If I go to twist stationery, I will open this and let's see what is he selling. So we got total 5,65,000 sales. The shop age is 6.6 years, and the average sales are 223.69. So we can easily see what the seller is selling to get the idea like what we want to serve. So we can easily source these products if you had any drop shipping. We can easily source these products from AliExpress or from Amazon. Birthday gift box for Berry, for Bong, wedding day cards, best friend bride, wedding day cards. For selling this type of stuff, and we are seeing that he is getting very good sales. So let's go back to the competition, a bit of sales. This was actually building the ideas through the categories. So if you are seeing any shop on Etsy, like you are seeing any shop on Etsy, like it's a quiz stationery or any other shop, we then just simply come here and search it and submit it. It will tell you search rank, it can tell you its average sales per day and another thing. Okay. So from here you can see, if I go to the handmade category, and I can see the top, all the top shops on this. Like TPL Minimalist, Planarcade, Node Multi, Swing Flower. The Swing Flower have very good sales with 10 lakh sales. That is very nice. And just simply analyze this shop and see what the top sellers are selling, which products. And you will say that college, like it has, the shop is 14 years. The average sales of 185 sales per day. That is very good. Total active listings are 70,000 active listings, and total sales are 10 lakh. You just let's see the he is selling, what kind of stuff he is selling, and you can sell the similar item. You can source the similar item if you're drop shipping from any other e-commerce store. If you're doing private label, you can source from any vendor. If you are building one product in demand, I will show you from which vendors you can source product in demand products. Okay, it's very easy. There are some sites that source for you, that deliver the product for you, that do everything for you, and you just have to list the product and market the product in the right way. So from here you can easily search any shop. Now if you are selling digital products, I will show you how you can do that. You simply go to Etsy, click there and click on SVG. You will find tons of shops here. Now go to any shop that has very good product reviews. Now I'm seeing this shop. This has 1.2k reviews. I will open this and I will see what is the name of the shop. So Handsco Studio is the name of the shop, Handsco Studio. I will go to Etsy in the competition and I will search for the specific shop that is Handsco Studio, and I will click on submit. That is for the digital products. I'm seeing that Handsco Studio has today 9,798 sales. The which sales are 12 sales per day. That is very good when you're selling the digital products. 12 sales are very good. The sales global is 47,475. He is selling all the digital products, and you can easily check from here that what you want to sell. You can easily design the similar SVGs, the similar products, and sell it on your store. So that is the easy way to spy on your competitors and to hunt your product, what you will sell. Okay, for drop shipping, for product in amount, for private label, it is very easy to hunt the product. Just simply go to the competition and click on top sellers. But for SVG, you must have to go for the shop name and search on Etsy, search on ERANK and check the results. Okay, so from here I'm getting tons of ideas what I will design from my store. Okay, and from here I will get tons of ideas what the big shops are doing and now what I can do. So in the end, it must go for a very good keyword. I have already told in my previous video that what is the ERANK keyword criteria. The keyword must fall on that criteria if you want good results in short span of time. So that's all for today. This is the product hunting technique by the category, building ideas by the category, and that's it. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and share the video with your friends. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.